welcome back to my channel. Today I have a series of organization videos that I would like to share with you. Come organize with me my kitchen. I'm going to do my kitchen drawers, I'm going to do the refrigerator underneath the kitchen sink, and I'm going to leave those cabinets for a later date right now. But come organize. I'm going to leave a playlist below. Please watch all of them. I invite you. I thank you so much for watching. So we're going to get started on the first video, and then you can continue watching all of them. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I would love to have you join the Deals with Lady P family. And you be blessed, everyone. Be blessed to be a blessing, everyone. Bye-bye. See you on the next video. This is my kitchen drawer. What a purity mess. It really needs help. And I'm going to revamp this drawer. I'm going to change it. I am so excited to see how they come out at the end. Come along with me and see what we can do with this kitchen drawer. Okay, I have two items that I'm going to use for my transformation of my silverware drawer. And this, if you watched the other video I started earlier last year, I did a baking drawer with the same item, and I ordered this item. It's from Sabatier. I actually ordered this from eBay because I could no longer find it at Costco. So I really liked the way it was, a 10-piece, and I believe I paid $29 for it, which I paid a little bit more than what I have spent at Costco, but I really like it, so I'm going to use this again. And also, yesterday I went to Bed Bath & Beyond, and I purchased this real simple shelf liner. And when I got home yesterday, I believe I might need, only have this much is on the roll, so I believe I might need another roll to do the other drawers, because I didn't consider at the time that I needed to do some couple other drawers, my pot drawer. But this is like a brown, it's like a tan brownish color that I purchased. They had brown, white, and a blue, which the blue was really pretty, but I couldn't use the blue with the color. And I want to show you what was in my drawer that has tore up. My old drawer had this corking, and this corking is pretty expensive, and as you can see on the edges, it's tore. And I had this in all my shelves in my drawer in my kitchen, but I'm not going to use this time because it's more expensive and it do tear. But I did have it a long time. I really like the corking. It's supposed to be very good quality, but I'm going to switch because of the price. And so this is the items that I'm going to use, and then I'm going to come back and show you how I transformed it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch it along here because I got the wide one and it's kind of width of the drawer. I'm just going to go all the way to the end, and I'm going to measure it with chalk. So I'm going to take the chalk, and I'm just going to take the chalk and I'm just going to measure it all the way in the corner. And I'm going to measure that, and I'm going to cut that, and I'll be right back. Okay, now that it's cut, I just measure with the chalk and just cut it along the chalk. And it's laying pretty flat. And here I have a little bit left. If you can see that, I have a little bit left on this edge. You could leave it like that because the sheet is going to go down. You know, the case is going to go on top of it. And or you could just cut it. And I think I'm going to just go ahead and just measure with the chalk again and cut that too. And so it's going to be flat on both sides. And I'm going to cut that on this side. And I want to cut it on the other side to make sure that it be enough to actually fit in the drawer, because the chalk is kind of fat. So Okay, so this actually fitted, and I cut both end, this end, and I cut this end, and it actually fits perfect. It actually fits perfect, and I love this. And I'm glad I didn't go with the corking. The corking is quite more expensive than this. So now I'm gonna come right back. Look like something got underneath here. I'm gonna come right back. I'm gonna open up the box, and I'm gonna put in the drawers. Okay, so I have it in. I had to actually glue, like the part that slides out actually had some nails that wasn't tight in, so it was like coming apart. So just check it when you get it. And we had to put some Gorilla Glue in there and get that taken care of. And you know, it also comes with these parts. If you've seen my previous video on the bacon drawer, I'll leave a link below. How it comes with these extra parts, and you know, see how you want to use them. It worked out fine in the bacon drawer. I do not know how I'm going to use them in this drawer yet, but and this is like a little slot right here and a piece right here. So I don't know how I'm going to use these yet, and let's see how it goes. So I'm going to place these items back in the drawer, and then I'm going to come back and let you see the final reveal. Okay, you guys, this is the finished product of the silverware drawer. This is how I turned out. I have like maybe one piece that I didn't use that's plastic like this. I didn't see anywhere that I could put it. It goes here, but I had some items I needed to put here. So over here I have like, this is a George Foreman cleaning tool that you clean the George Foreman grill with. And these are some extra spouts for like our oil and olive oil and vinegar. So those are those extra inserts for those. Got what you call them. And this over here is I think from Crate & Barrel. I got this like a scraper, like you scrape your food off the counter in, and a tea strainer. And this is like a little coffee thing that I have over there. So I just left these in here and see if I would need them. If I don't need them for a while, then I get rid of them. And over here, I start down here. Over here I have a couple of spatulas that I use for like square pans. And this is like, you know, if you got like cakes and stuff like that. Even though I have like, this is like every day. So I do have some that I have with a cake that attaches, that matches a cake plate. Cake spatula, but I don't use them unless I'm taking it out around the holidays, because they got like Christmas decorations. So I laid these here because we use these every day. And then I have the pizza cutter here. I didn't have anywhere to put that, so I put that in here. Sorry for all the noise. And then over here I have the can opener. Used to be red days, but one day I'll switch to the black. But I had red, I used to have red decor, so I still have the red. And then I have the garlic presser and the peeler, the vegetable peeler here. I put that here. And then down here I have a couple of ice cream scoops. This one is an antique that my brother gave me, and this is an antique, and I'll never get rid of that. He used to work for Friendlies. So I'll never get rid of that, and he's gone to be with the Lord. And here I have two. This one I use for salmon cakes. So, and this one we use for ice cream. So we use these two for ice cream. We usually don't use that one for ice cream with the little piece that slides out. So we usually don't use that. And these are just a couple of large spoons that I have. One, usually this is like a serving spoon. It's kind of large, but we use this for like every day. I do have some that goes with my set for in the dining room. So a couple of slotted spoons. And this one, I put this here. So far, I don't have anything in this one, but I put it here for if I get something to put in there. And over here, I have, I think this is another vegetable peeler, and this is a melon ball. And then I have like this is another coffee. This for measuring coffee, and I have a couple. Like I said, the old-fashioned can opener here. You can always need those. So I have a couple of those from way back when. and that's in there. And like a small spatula I have back here, like a very small, not spatula, what we call it, I forgot what we call it, but it's a small one. And over here I have the dinner forks over here, and I'm gonna get a new set for that, and either 8 or 12 piece, but I really don't think 8 is enough. And I also have, oh, okay, these are the salad forks, and these are some extra forks that I don't know where I got these from, but they are tiny little forks that I use. I let my granddaughter use these. So I use, and if I could find a nice, maybe that come in the set, if I could find some, I'll get some for her, because I just don't think she needs a large fork. It's 10 years old. So, and these are just spoons over here, and I got all my knives over here. And that's it. I don't know what I'm going to put up here. I might put some more, depends on when I get the 8. The other set, we'll see what comes with the other set. So I probably will be changing this. But this is the end of this drawer. And I have two more drawers to show you. I had 4 drawers, and I did the bacon drawer. Now I did this drawer. And then I have a like aluminum foil and all of that drawer coming up too. But this is the end of this drawer, and this is my silverware drawer or flatware. And some items might change, some items might go. So when I get, depending on what set I get, I would be taking some of this stuff out and change it around. But this is what I have on here now, and that's it. Okay, everyone, this is the end of this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please don't hesitate to push that subscribe button, and also push that notification button so you will be notified of every video that comes out when it comes out. And I thank you for allowing me to come into your homes. I appreciate you all. I love you all. And I will see you all on the next video. Be blessed to be a blessing. Bye-bye.